What's up, everybody? I'm your boy here, Jam Poiser. I'm Nightmare Foxy here, and today we're gonna be showing off best Nerf guns ever. Cause the reason why I wanted to do best Nerf guns ever, it's because I was watching Julian's video on best Nerf guns ever that was 5 months ago, and it got over 73 views and 5 likes, which is just so much. I'm thinking, how about I do one? So let's start with our exclusive at Toys R Us. Mega, I forgot what the name was, but it starts with an M. You can do that. And how to put the bullet in is you don't put it in here, you do this. And then there's like a little bullet holder where you can put like three mega bullets in here. And then it'll just do that. Bam, bam. Okay, next up, we got the girl pistol that I reviewed like 6 or 5 months ago. So this thing is really amazing. Do that. Wow. Yeah, you can also do that, which is super sick. So pretty cool. Okay, so we have this one. It's like a pistol, so it can actually like have a little target. See, look. You see the red target? Where the target goes, why are there bullets in here? Wherever the target goes, the bullets follow. So next up we got this. The Alpha Strike, I think. Which I think I reviewed a couple months ago again. So this thing is really amazing. So really amazing, costs like $23 at Target. So yeah. Okay, so next up we got this. So super amazing. It looks really amazing, and how to like put the bullets in is you hold down this. See? Super sick. Okay, next up is the 2004 Nerf gun. Because if you could see, like right there, it says it was made in 2004 in China. 2004 Hasbro. What was it? Yeah. So this is really old. My mom got it for me because I really wanted a Nerf gun. So I got this super 2004 Nerf gun that I'm not going to trade Julian for this. This is like super rare to find. Okay, last but not least, we got the brain saw, which I reviewed a couple months ago again. So it's like a shotgun, which I said. Also, watch this. That's why they call it the brain saw. Okay, let's go into my closet. I think I have more of them. Oh yeah, we have. Never mind. Yeah. So that's it for this video, guys. So remember to like, comment, subscribe to this channel to see more best Nerf guns ever. And peace. Wait, did I already do this?